friends, welcome back to my channel Mathematics Adda, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications for new and interesting mathematics videos. So now today we have come up with a different topic, and that is the mind game for multiplication. What is the mind game or mental mathematics, you can say, which the questions have come in the exams like Olympiads exams in the schools and PSU exams or the RRB exams or any competitive examinations. You will crack these questions very quickly after watching this video. So now we know that in these types of questions the pictures are given, but these pictures are actually not the pictures. These are having some numerical value hiding behind them. So we have to find the numerical value for each of the picture, and we have to find out the value of the question mark. Okay, so one by one, step by step we will follow and we will solve the question. And remember that the same picture always having the same value, same numerical value. Okay, now these three flowers multiplied by each other and we are getting the product as this leaf. So we will try to find out the value of these two, this flower also and this leaf also. And now this is another types of leaves, and the multiplication of these leaves, the product is 9. So very quickly we will understand that 3 is the number which is multiplied by itself, then we will get 9 here. So the value of these leaves are 3. 3 3s are 9. Moving on towards the next step, 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9. But here the product of these three numbers is 18. So what is left? Obviously, if we multiply 9 by 2, then we will get 80. So the value of this flower is 2. Now we got the values 2, 2 and 2. Now we will easily get the value of this type of leaf also. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the value of this leaf is 8. Now it will be very easy to solve this. But remember, my dear friends, in these types of questions, the last step is the game changer. So how it will be? That here they will change the operations. How many operations are there in mathematics? 4 operations. Divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we have to look very carefully at the signs in the last step. Okay. So according to the BODMAS rule, what we have to do? We have to do the division first, then multiplication and then addition, and lastly we have to do the subtraction. So here 2 operations are there. So multiplication and subtraction. First we will solve the multiplication and then we will subtract. Okay. These leaves are having 8 as values. 8 8s are 64, and 64 minus 2. 64 minus 2 will give us 62 as the answer. So this question mark is having the value of 62. See how quickly we have solved this. Now moving on towards the next, some twist has been there. 2 apples multiplied by each other, we will get the product as this mango. Mango multiplied by grapes is equal to 80. Oh, what is this? This is a fruit salad. No, this is the logical question. Okay. Apple multiplied by grapes plus mango divided by 4. See, 3 operations are there. So this step is the game changer. But we are also having a very quick observation. So we will solve it. And one hint is given that this apple is having the value as 4. So very easy. We have known the value of 4 apple. 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16. Means mango contains the value 16. 16 को किसी चीज़ से multiply किया, so we got 80 as the product. So my dear friends, अगर divide और multiplication simultaneously आते हैं, तो अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है कि how to find this number, so what you will do, you will divide this number by this number. 80 divided by 16. I think 16 के टेबल में 5 times में 80 आता है. 16 5s are 80. So the value of this grapes is 5. Now very carefully. 4 5 16 and divided by 4. Now according to the BODMAS rule, division, multiplication, addition, and then lastly the subtraction. So first of all we will do the division here. 16, mango की value है 16. 16 divided by 4 will give us 4. Okay. Now the multiplication. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20, and 20 plus 4 will give us 24. Like this we will solve these types of questions. Okay, you have to look carefully at the last step to crack the question very quickly. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and you will try these types of questions also, and you will crack the competitive exams also. So all the very best, and please subscribe the channel if you have not. Bye bye.